Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the previous video, we covered how to send and show push notifications in Flutter using Firebase. But those notifications were only visible when the app was in background or completely closed. But what if the app is open and the user is actively using it and we still want to show a notification to the user? So in this video, I will show you how to display notifications when the app is open. For this purpose, we will use the Flutter local notifications plugin. So open your browser and search for Flutter local notifications. Click on this plugin, go to installing tab and copy this plugin. Go to Android Studio, open pubspec.yaml file and under dependencies section, paste this plugin and click on pubget. Let me minimize my emulator and let me minimize it as well. Now go to notification service class and inside this class we will create an object of Flutter local notification plugin is equal to Flutter local notification plugin. So guys, this object will be responsible for displaying local notifications in our Flutter application. Next, we will create a new function. So let me create a new function. The function name will be init local notifications and this will be an async function. And inside this function, we will create an object of Android initialization settings class. I will name it Android initialization setting is equal to Android initialization settings. And inside this, we have to provide an icon. So I will write map and IC launcher. Alright, so this will use as a notification icon which will appear in the Android status bar. Keep in mind that Android requires a notification icon, otherwise the notification may not appear. Let me expand it a little bit. Next, we will create an object of initialization settings class. I will name it settings initialization settings, and inside this we have to attach Android configuration Android, and we will use this object. Alright, so guys, this object collects all platform specific notification settings in one place. Right now we are only using Android settings. If you want iOS notifications, you can also add iOS settings here. And finally, we will initialize the local notification plugin using Flutter local notification plugin object, and we will pass setting here. This line will activate the notification system in our app. Without this step, notifications will not work. So this function initializes local notifications and prepare our Flutter app to show notification while the app is open. Now we will create another function. The function name will be show notification. This function is responsible to display local notification and it will receive a remote message which comes from Firebase cloud messaging. This message contains the notification title, body and other data. And inside this function, we will create an object of Android notification details. Android notification details, I will name it Android notification details is equal to Android notification details. And inside this, we have to pass a channel ID. So I will write the channel ID name high importance channel. This channel is required in Android 8 and above. Android uses channel to control notification behavior. And then we have to provide channel name. I will write it high importance channel. This is the channel name that appears in Android notification settings. Then we will provide another parameter. The name is importance and importance dot high. Here we are telling Android that this notification is important. High importance means the notification can show as a pop-up. Then we will provide another parameter named priority, and priority will be high as well. High priority ensures it appears immediately. Next, we will create an object of notification details class. Notification details is equal to notification details, and inside this we will pass Android and we will copy this name and paste it here. Alright, this object holds all notification configuration in one place. Right now we are passing only Android notification details. Now we will use Flutter local notification plugin object to display a notification. And here we have to provide a notification ID. So this ID should be a unique ID. For now, I will provide 0. So remember, this should be a unique ID. If we use the same ID for every notification, the previous notification will be replaced with the new one. And next we have to provide the title of our notification. So we will get notification title from Firebase message.notification.title. And if the title is null, we will show a default value. Next, we will get notification body from Firebase message.notification dot body, and if the body is null, we will provide default value here, no body available. And finally, we will provide notification details object here. And this will control how the notification looks and behaves. So this function will show a local notification when the app will be in foreground. Now go to home screen, and inside home screen we will use this notification service object, notification service, and we will call the method init local notification. So guys, Firebase provides a listener called onMessage. This listener is triggered whenever a notification is received in the foreground. So we will use that listener and will show a local notification whenever we receive a notification from Firebase. So we will write Firebase messaging dot onMessage dot listen, and here we will write remote message. This will be a message that we will receive from Firebase, and inside this we will use notification service object, and we will call show notification function, and we will pass this message object to this function, and we will place a semicolon here as well. So that's it guys, the coding part is now complete. Let's run the app and see what happens. As you can see, the app is now running in the emulator. So let's test the push notifications. Go to Firebase console, click on your Firebase project, click on messaging, click on create your first campaign, select this option, click on create and enter notification title, test title, enter notification text, this is test text, click on send test message, select your device FCM token and click on test button. Now go back to Android Studio, and here you can see that we have received a push notification from Firebase. Now tap the home button so the app moves to the background. Let's send another push notification from Firebase. Click on send test message, select FCM token and click on test. Open your emulator, and here you can see that we have received a push notification when our app is in background. Now let's kill the app completely. Go to Firebase console and send another push notification. Go back to Android Studio. As you can see, we still receive a notification when the app is closed. So guys, that's it for this video. In the next tutorial, we will see how to handle notification click functionality. For example, how to open a new screen when a notification is tapped. We will cover all of that in the next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.